What's going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video. Now today I'm finally doing an update on my house. As many of y'all know, my house flooded about 10 feet during Hurricane Harvey, a year and a half ago. So it's been a slow rebuild process because we're doing all the work ourselves, but since my last update video, which I believe was about 6 months ago, we have gotten a ton of work done. And big thanks to my brother-in-law Kyle and Jonathan. They have been an astronomical help over here, from laying down tile, putting up drywall, helping me with drywall mud. It's been awesome having them here, so big thank you to them. And really thank you to anyone who's been involved in the whole rebuild process, because it is an entire process, I'll tell you that. From taking out the drywall when we first got here, to having electricians come in, plumbers come in, heating and air people come in. It's been a whole process. But leading to the house, this is how my house normally looks. I remember at the very beginning of my Harvey video, there was a bunch of water that came up to be right about right here, and there was just that mud covering everything. It was crazy walking back to this house after Harvey. Well guys, here's the flood water right here. It's not in my house. It was, but it's not anymore. So let's walk in and see. Here is my backyard. It's swampy back here. This is my door, and this is everything. The playground's gone, all the wood's gone. There's a river. Then walking around back, this is how my backyard usually looks. Actually looks pretty cool. Little golf course out there. I know that whenever we were first walking up, the floodwaters were literally still right over there. So big difference from when we first came back here. But as we move past Trixie and Thor and Big Eyes over there, you can see that my inside of my house looks significantly different than when it did when I came in during the flood. Just since my last update, we've gone ahead and put up these cabinets right here. We put these cabinets together. We've moved some of the granite in. So the kitchen is really coming together. I mean, I know we still have a little bit to go, such as putting drywall up just right up here, and then mudding certain joints. But moving over here into the dining room, yes, again, you can see it is a stark difference from when we first came in during the flood. Dining room table we've had since I was a kid. Oh man. Now with this room, yeah, we haven't put any mud in between any of the joints or anything, but we're gonna be starting that soon. So this in here will be a finished room. I'd say in a solid month, we're gonna have everything done in this room. But moving over here, I remember there was a clip that I was trying to get in here, and I'm just, yanking at the door. It's not moving. I actually just pulled the door off the hinges altogether. Supplements. Oh, let's see. Oh, I loved this protein. It was the best protein I had. Everything in here. This is why I kept a lot of my tools right in here. Truly insane thinking how this house looked when we first came back from Harvey. But what we've done with this little storage room is pretty much just make it into a pantry. What we're going to do is we're going to be putting shelves all over here, and we'll make it into like an official pantry. We're going to close off this little doorway right here, so the pantry will be looking good. I'm just glad that we're making all these leaps and bounds, especially in the What do you? Of course, this cat wants to go outside. Go. But we have been making a lot of progress lately, so I'm just glad that I'm actually able to share it with y'all that we're getting work done in this house. Like this room over here has been the room that I've been using, well, ever since Harvey happened. I know right now we're using it as a storage room. And I just remember coming into this room immediately after Harvey, and it was just a complete mess. There was just stuff everywhere. There were all my clothes, my cabinets, all kind of stuff in here. Great. Any of my belongings. All my belongings are just gone. Right here I got this as a birthday present in 2006. You can see it's all discolored. My Turtle Beaches, no! I am just speechless. Oh man. So I used to have my TV right here. I used to sit about right here. I had some drag radials over here, and then the camera position would be about right there. So right now we're using it as a storage room. I've gone ahead and moved back into my room that I was using before Harvey. My sister and my brother-in-law, they have been helping us out the last few months. They just moved back to Denver, so I took my old room back. So this room is just gonna be a storage room. But hey, this is gonna help us get that much further as far as moving stuff from like a hallway or room into here, getting all the mud put up, painting it, priming it, all that kind of stuff. So we're making some progress. And I remember as soon as we got back from Harvey, I did a little overhead view. There's our piano. All this down here. This is insane. As you can see, it is a lot different. Yeah, we still have a little bit of work to go. And I don't know how, but right here, water just got sucked up like a straw. But it's starting to feel a lot more like home because of all the progress we've made. And I mean, I know that some of y'all are probably thinking, Harvey was a year and a half ago, you haven't made a ton of progress. Well, it's just my family. Me and my family is the only ones working on this house. We're not hiring any people. So we're doing all the manual labor, putting up the drywall, putting this mud on here, painting, priming. So we're getting pretty far. Over here's the laundry room, not at all like last time y'all saw it. I remember last time y'all saw, I think all the washer and dryer were all kind of messed up, all tilted sideways and everything. Washer and dryer, somehow the washer right here got pushed all out. This is insane. So there's that, but moving over here, this is gonna be my room. Well, this is my room, and I don't know where I'm gonna do all my videos, but having this big of a room does kind of open up my options as far as what I wanna do, where I want to film and everything. So I'm excited to actually be able to do something with this room. I mean, I have all kind of just Mustang stuff up there. I have some Mustang paintings over there. Guys, this right here is my room. I don't have any windows, so I know you can't really see that much. I'm actually using a flashlight. Here's my bed. It got picked up somehow. It was way over there in that corner over there. It's right here now. Everything came down from the top. My dresser's right there tipped over. All the stuff in my closet's messed up. I also have this little kitchenette area over here, which, yes, this is a huge difference from that first time that we first came in here. But guys, this right here is the room where I've actually done some of my videos, where I've talked a little bit. There's my air compressor right there. Shop vac, one of my ramps right there. The other ramp is over here on top of my jack. Like I said, my sister and brother-in-law, they just moved out, so we still have a decent little bit of work to do. Like I'm gonna be putting grout all up in here probably next weekend, and then just little other things like fixing this little hole in the ceiling right here, putting trim everywhere, putting a door right here. So we have a lot of work to do, but look at that. I have a working bathroom in here, so I don't know, I'm just excited to share with you all the progress we've made and all the progress that we keep making. So there's going to be some more update videos coming in the future, and I might even do some kind of construction videos as far as how to do like certain things around the house, like how to put up drywall or mud or certain electrical or plumbing work. Just let me know if any of y'all are interested in that, and I might be able to do something like that. Like I said, there is a bunch that I've learned because I didn't know anything about drywall, paint, any of this stuff, siding or anything whenever Harvey first happened. So now that I've actually been working on my house, doing all this stuff, I'm not a master by any means, but I can do some basic stuff and I can do some videos to show y'all how to do different things. Now before you click away, I'm going to include a clip right here at the end of this video that's going to show basically 2 weeks after Harvey what my house looked like. It was pretty much just skeletons everywhere down here. And yes, the room I'm in right now is the area I said that we were going to convert back into a garage. I mean, obviously we didn't, but I do think that us keeping this as a room is going to be better versus just a garage, somewhere just to, store stuff, park cars in. It'll be a lot more useful, me having this as a big room versus just a garage. Like I said, sorry for the noise, but here is my house. Here's my kitchen right here. As you can see, all the cabinets right here have been taken out. Just a ton of dehumidifiers and fans right here. My living room's right over here. As you can see, the ground is barely any wet at all. These stones, I guess, are porous. They absorb some of the water, so they're still drying out right now. Yeah, all the cabinets, everything underneath the stairs, those have been removed. The cabinets that were holding all my mom's books up, those have been taken out as well. That was one thing. Somehow, all the drywall up here, it sucked up all the water almost like a straw, just going straight up. So we cut that, or the people, they cut that out. But coming over here, yeah, my mom's room is a lot better versus what it was before. We've already got up there, cleaned out all the insulation, everything, taken out a whole bunch of nails. As you can see, it's just, this looks a ton better versus that day we came back after the flood. It used to be the garage. The previous owners converted it into a mother-in-law's suite. We're going to go ahead and just convert it back into the garage because for me, I really want somewhere to park my Mustang, and it'll give me a cool little place to actually do the videos in the future. I mean, I don't know. I mean, there's all kind of things I can do. Like this right here was the little kitchen area in my room. This was the bathroom. Maybe I could extend this out a little bit, make it my own little room-ish, like maybe a little camera room somewhere I can just do my videos. I have no idea. But guys, that will be it for this update video. Like I said, I will be doing more update videos as we get stuff done, but with me having a full-time job, my mom having a full-time job, we can't get too much stuff done like crazy quick, and plus, I mean, it's not cheap to work on your house, and I'm sure many of y'all know that. But again, before this video is done, I just want to say thank you to everyone involved in this rebuild process, with a big emphasis on my brother-in-law Kyle and Jonathan, because they've been a big help. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.